n is a positive integer such that n cube plus 96 is perfectly divisible by 9. N. Find the number of possible values of n. So this number n cube plus 96 is perfectly divisible by 9. It means that this expression gives me remainder of 0, right? Where n is a positive integer, correct? Let's just simplify it a bit. Whenever you are given this type of expression and it is asked that find the integral values of n for which this is an integer or perfectly divisible by n, it means that this expression, when I divide n cube plus 96 by n, it becomes an integer, right? So if you divide these two numbers by n, these two terms by n, so I get n square plus 96 by n, right? To be perfectly divisible by n, both these numbers have to give remainder of 0, right? So n cube divided by n gives me remainder of 0. It is perfectly divisible. But 96 divided by n would be divisible or give me the remainder of 0 when n is a factor of n is a factor of 96, right? So this question has reduced to this thing that we have to find the number of factors of 96, and those will be the values of n. Okay, then 96, I can factorize this number as how much? This is 24 into 4, right? 24 is 6 into 4 already, or 8 into 3 is 24, into 4 is 96. 8 into 4, 32, means 2 raised to the power 5 into 3 raised to the power 1. Number of factors of 96 would become 6 into 2, that is 12. So there are 12 positive integral values of n for which this expression must be divisible by n, correct? These values would be 1, 2, then 3, then 4, and so on, factors of 96, correct? So correct answer to this question is option B.